Hello and welcome. You're watching One India News. I'm Amrita Das, and let me tell you guys, this is the time of Durga Puja. Today I'm here in Chittaranjan Park of Delhi, and I am feeling excessively nostalgic at the moment because I really want to go back home to Kolkata and see my Durga Puja celebrations in my own place. But right now, since I'm not being able to, I am here in Chittaranjan Park and I'm going to look around and scour some pandals. Come join me. The stalls will be set up over there. This is giving me high nostalgia right now. Kola Thakur Puja and everything is going to be here. And that's the Protima or the idol of the Durga Thakur. This is quite pretty. This is actually a very beautifully made pandal. It's pandal. And look at the chandeliers over there. Yeah? There's so many. And I'm sure during the time of Visarjan, they are going to dance in here. This is an enormous pandal, Mela ground. But surprisingly, it's Mahapanchami and it's empty. I mean, trust me, if this would have been in Kolkata by this point of time, it would have been crowded. But look at the idol, it's very beautiful. It's a lucky thing actually that we are getting to see the idol at such close counter यहाँ पे. Because trust me, if this would have been any other day of the puja, it would have been very crowded. Folks, you must be very annoyed at this point of time because of all of my bickering and complaining. I'm not trying to compare because this is also a very beautiful way of celebrating Durga Puja. But honestly, I think I need to head back to my home to Kolkata and actually absorb the actual way Durga Puja is celebrated. I can't actually wait to go back home. So, do you want to come with me and check out the Durga Puja that happens in Kolkata? So finally, I am actually here in Kolkata to see the Kolkata Pujo because obviously Delhi was not working for me. And my first stop is Shobha Bazaar Shutanuti. Here we are in a very weirdly themed pandal. It's a phone-based and the technology-based or the millennial-based Pujo where there are the recent apps like Spotify, YouTube, and it's all covered on the cushion. And there's a hanging phones there and also magazines. We are in the Acropolis region. This is one of the biggest malls in Kolkata and it's in the eastern part of Kolkata, and we are going to check out some of the pandals here. So come with me. Now this is a very interesting pandal. The theme of the pandal is about the sea, but there's a catch. It's also about the pollution that is being taken place in the seas and in all the water bodies these days. Generally, the idols in Durga Puja, they are made in a different way. They are made with Durga Ma in the middle and with her children on both her sides. But this was a little differently made, whereas you can see her children, that is Kartik, Ganesha, Saraswati and Lakshmi. They are on a boat with Durga Ma's lion. This is a rather splendid view. I never expected it to be this beautiful, to be very honest.